Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we turn your purchasing dilemmas into easy decisions. Today, we have a showdown between two robotic titans in the vacuum world, the Lefant M210 and the Roborock Q7 Max Plus. It's the battle of the bots, and only one will come out as the king of clean. First up, we have the price. The Lefant M210 comes in at a wallet-friendly $199. Meanwhile, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus is a whopping $869. That's right, folks. One of these vacuums costs more than your last 5 impulse Amazon buys combined. So if you're looking to save some cash for, I don't know, literally anything else, Lefant might be your new best friend. Next, let's talk about how these vacuums handle our furry friends. The Lefant M210 is like a pet whisperer. It has a brushless suction port that ensures pet hair doesn't get tangled. If your cat sheds more than a Christmas tree in January, the Lefant's got you covered. According to reviews, it's especially good for households with pets that shed a lot. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus also has an upgraded brush system that resists hair tangles, but at that price, it better be able to groom your pets while it's at it. Reviewers love its smart features, but note it might scare small pets. Now, let's see who really sucks. In a good way, the Lefant M210 has decent suction power, enough to keep your floors clean and your in-laws impressed. However, some reviewers mentioned it struggles with pet hair and carpets. On the other hand, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus is like the Hercules of vacuums with a staggering 4,200 pascals suction power. It can lift debris, pet hair, and probably your hopes and dreams too. Reviewers are amazed by its powerful suction and efficient cleaning. The Lefant M210 is like a ninja. Its small body design can slip under furniture, beds, and sofas, like it's on a secret mission. It also has upgraded Free Move Technology 2.0 to avoid getting stuck. Reviewers find it convenient for hard-to-reach places, but note it sometimes gets stuck. But the Roborock Q7 Max Plus, it's got PreciSense LiDAR navigation. It's like having a tiny robot cartographer mapping out your home in 3D. You can even add virtual furniture. Reviewers praise its accurate mapping and smart navigation features. Battery life is crucial. The Lefant M210 offers a solid 120 minutes of cleaning on a single charge. That's enough time to binge watch a couple of episodes of your favorite show while it does all the work. Reviewers appreciate the decent runtime, but wish it was longer. But the Roborock Q7 Max Plus, it's got a supersized battery that lasts up to 180 minutes. That's 3 hours, folks. Enough time to clean your house, your neighbor's house, and maybe even the entire block. Reviewers are impressed with its long battery life. Lefant M210 requires a bit of manual labor. You'll need to empty the dustbin yourself. Think of it as a gentle reminder that robots haven't entirely taken over yet. Reviewers mention the ease of emptying, but wish it had an auto-empty feature. Meanwhile, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus comes with an auto-empty dock pure. It empties itself for up to 7 weeks. That's almost 2 months of not having to think about vacuuming. If only it could do the dishes too. Reviewers love this feature, saying it saves a lot of hassle. Overall, reviewers are impressed with both vacuums, but they shine in different areas. The Lefant M210 is praised for its affordability and decent performance, making it a great option for budget-conscious buyers, especially those with pets. However, it has some limitations with pet hair and carpet cleaning. On the other hand, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus is celebrated for its powerful suction advanced navigation, and convenient hands-free features. It comes at a higher price point, but offers a premium experience with a few minor drawbacks. So there you have it, folks. If you're on a budget and want a reliable little cleaner, Lefant M210 is your guy. But if you're looking for a high-tech super suction powerhouse and don't mind spending the big bucks, Roborock Q7 Max Plus is your new cleaning partner. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat. Let us know in the comments which vacuum you'd pick and why. Until next time, keep it smart, keep it clean. Product links are in the description.